My name is Hui Ran, and this is my team. Our name, Simple Aja, will be self-explanatory in a bit. So through extensive stakeholder consultation, we found that one of the biggest problem areas in the palm oil supply chain are between plantation and mill: logistics, cost inefficiency, untraceability. So we came up with a solution here that creates value all down the supply chain. So the problem here is that harvest schedules are greatly disrupted by climate change, which is only going to get worse. Collection schedules are disrupted. Drivers are wasting time, they're wasting money, they're not earning what they should. FFB supplies are irregular, and they're likely to be unfresh when they're delivered to the mills. Our solution, Simple Aja, or It's Simple, is like Uber for FFB. It uses existing platforms that stakeholders are already familiar with to optimize and automate the collection process. So farmers contend with messaging platforms, SMS, WhatsApp, to sign up and use the system. Agents use a desktop app or web platform to register, and they enter their feasible geographical boundaries, and they help to onboard the drivers in their network. We go between the two parties to create an optimized collection route for the FFB that saves them from manually calling and dispatching drivers. And finally, big data, self-explanatory. So let's imagine I'm Pak Rusman. It could happen. So to sign up, I WhatsApp my name, address, and photos of my plantation boundary to the chatbot. These are geotagged, and why should I do that? We know that agents will provide incentives for traceability, and farmers want these. These come in things like fertilizer, inputs, and whatnot. Done. Simple Aja. Requesting pickup is the same. With the price information, I select my preferred agent. I tell him this stuff, pickup amount, FFB grade, and I wait for an ETA. Simple Aja. And so our agent is very computer savvy. From this dashboard, they can check the real-time status of drivers' trips from farm to the collection center. They can customize route preferences based on various metrics, such as grade, such as geographical location, and the dashboard provides a way to reconcile the agent's purchases from the farm and the sale to mill on a daily basis, and this also helps to mitigate incidents of loss of FFB. The system is scalable. Agents can use it to coordinate transport between the collection center and the mill in a similar way later on. It's flexible because agents in Indonesia have different collection systems. They have different relationships with their drivers and their farmers. So how is this relevant to other players in the supply chain? Data from our platform, we collect data that allows you to trace the FFB from the mill to the farm, all the way down to the smallholder. Big data obtained from the FFB transaction provides alternative credit information through which financiers can use to provide microloans. Text in the web dashboard. These are perfect platforms for advertising fertilizers, other crop inputs. You guys know it better than me. And finally, the outside ring, that's how we monetize it. And so we want to stay future ready. We want to tackle chronic problems that have been around for a long time, like logistics, while anticipating others that are here to stay, like climate change, all without reinventing the wheel. So pick us, it's Simple Aja. Thank you.